Hey Algebra 1 kids, this is Dr. Callahan with Week 19 Tuesday. How are you guys doing? Go ahead and pause the video and answer the following 3 questions for your warm-up log. Remember, it is due this Friday. Okay, so first thing I have you guys do is on a separate piece of paper, I want you guys to go ahead and answer the following questions. Number 1, what have you learned about yourself after taking algebra? List 3. What is algebra? Use 5 adjectives to describe it. What are the 4 misconceptions people have about math? If given the chance for a do-over, or if you can redo the semester, what would you change? After this year, you feel, give me 6 things. And what advice and suggestions would you have for the future students in this class? And also, here is your warm-up one more time since it was frozen. Okay, so there's your warm-up. And then go ahead and tell me and answer the following questions. Okay, so we're going to continue on with our math today when it comes to your study guide. Let's go ahead and take a look at question number 46. Okay, it says the table represents as a function. Use the table to find a solution of this equation. Select all that apply. Okay, so looking at this, if I were to solve for this, you set it equal to 0, so x equals what when y equals 0? Well, here's your table. When is y 0? Right there and right there. So what are your x values when y is 0? -3 and 1. And when it says select all that applies, that means there's more than one answer. Those are your answers. Okay, question number 47. Which of the following are x-intercepts? X-intercepts is like if this is your graph. An x-intercept is when y equals 0, what is x equal to? So those are the points, okay? So for this one, when y equals 0, what is x equal to? So we put 0 equals x plus 2 squared minus 16. First you want to do is you want to add the 16 on both sides. So you have x plus 2 squared equals 0. Square root both sides. So that cancels. 0 equals x minus or plus 2. X equals -2. So then looking at this part here. Oh, I'm sorry. It's not 16. I totally messed it up. My bad. Hold on. Stand by. When I add the 16, 0 plus 16 is 16. Square root of 16 is a plus and minus 4. Subtract 2 on both sides. You have 2 answers. Your first answer is going to be +4 minus 2, -4 minus 2. So x is going to equal to 2 and -6 when y equals 0. So which one here says when x equals 2 and -6? Ta-da! That will be it. Okay, number 48. For number 48, when you look at the x's right here, that one is x equals 2. This one is x is equal to -4. If I put those two into parentheses, it will be x plus 4 and x minus 2 because they're opposite. They're reversed. Which one matches this? That one right there. 49. What are the zeros of this function? Zeros are when you factor it and you set it equal to 0. So looking at this here, what I'm going to do is between the 2, 12, and 18, I could take out a 2, which is x squared, 6x, and 9. Now I can factor this out. Like what times what gives me a 9, but when I add it together, gives me a -6, -3, -3. X equals a +3, and x equals a +3. So my correct answer is just this one here. All right. A quadratic function has a 0, 1, and -8. Which of the following could be a function? Well, let's factor this. If I say it is D, okay, I'm just guessing. I factor this. What times what gives me a -8? But when I add it together, it gives me a -7. If I solve this equal to 0, x equals a +8 and -1. And guess what? That's not correct because this one is for a +1 and -8, but it's pretty close. So is there another one here that I can reverse it? So it's not D. How about C? If I try C, x minus 1, x plus 8 equals a +1, -8. That's it. It is C. All right, you guys, we did go over 5 questions. And so for the rest of the class, what I would like you guys to do is keep working on this. Maybe try 51, 52, 53. Answers are here in the back. So next, what I want you guys to do for this class is there is a video I want you guys to watch. It is right here, and it starts at 20 minutes and 20 seconds. Write and copy down the 3 examples with a template. And this is a link right here. You can just type that in. On a separate piece of paper, I want you guys to go ahead and answer the following questions. What grade are you aiming for after the final? What can you do to raise your grade? And what can I assist you with? Okay, next one I want you guys to do is you're going to go to this link right here, this tiny URL, type that in. Okay, it is not going to let me get there, but that's okay. We'll try something else. Okay, so next one I want you guys to do is we are going to, let's try this one more time. Okay, so you're going to go over to this Quizlet, which is going to be right here with this tiny URL. And then once you are there, this is what it looks like. You are going to go ahead and pick any 10 questions here and then practice with them. Answers are on the back. All right, you guys, as always, I hope you have a wonderful week. I'll see you guys next time.